See, I do other kits. I've been very scattered with other projects over the past few months. So I haven't been focusing on building new kits as much as I'd like. I figured it was time for my yearly upload, so I thought I'd start with this kit. I recently received an order from Plaza Japan, not sponsored. I find their pricing and shipping to be generally very reasonable, especially in this case. Because with the pre-order of this Thunderjaw kit, I also decided to get this thing.
This goddamn size. Look at it. It is huge. I was expecting this box to be the same, to be that fucking box. This one to be that fucking size. Look at this. What the shit is going on?
Theatrics aside, the reason appears to be that the VFG kit has a lot of air in it, which is probably going to needlessly balloon the cost of shipping for that kit. Anyway, I'll get to it eventually, I am sure. The Thunderjaw kit comes with some nice metallic water slides that are really needed to add some splash of color to this model, as you'll see. The overall build, like I found with most Goodsmile models, is really straightforward and simple. I would go as far to say that this would probably be fine for most beginners, even with the waterslide decals and some of the smaller finicky parts. The legs have a very strong separate joint that do a good job holding the model pose. Even so, they do include a small stand with 2 mounting points on the model's belly. The posability on this kit is pretty accurate from what I remember from the game. The neck and tail have a few articulation points, and the legs can move within the range I would expect. Overall, I liked the kit, but for the price point I expected a lot more details and color variation in the plastic. Maybe it's my expectation of a larger box being dashed, but I just expected more out of this kit. There are things that could have definitely added complexity to the model manufacturing, but it would have created a better overall product. In particular, the orange highlights or the blue and white chunks of the disc launcher. Some of the waterslide decals can easily be oriented wrong. Not a complaint, but more of just a warning. It's very obvious if you do it right. Looks slightly off if you do it wrong. The only real complaints that I have are the waterslide decals on the ammo barrels, because they aren't aligned the same way as they are on the pick on the box. And that did cause me some confusion. That or I'm an idiot, which is also very likely. If you're as big of a fan of this series as I am, or really like to paint your kits, I'd say this probably is worthwhile for you. Otherwise, you might be safe to skip it. I personally don't regret my purchase, as it was fun and satisfying to build. And I do like the overall finished product, even if it is lacking in some color variation. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you made it this far, thank you for watching.